So you've set up your services in Trafft and assigned them to one or more employees. The services are visible on your booking website, but when a customer tries to book them, the time slots are not visible or cannot be selected on your booking website, even though they are within the working hours you've set under office hours. Here are the common reasons that cause this and ways to fix it. In Trafft, the system prioritizes employees' working hours over the company's default working hours. So let's say your office hours are 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and you've set the employees' working hours to be from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. On your booking website, you'll see that the only time slots available for booking are from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., which you have set as the employees' working hours. Under General Settings, you'll find the option to set the minimum time required before booking. This option allows you to set a time before an appointment, during which customers will not be able to book an appointment. So if you set one day here, it means that the customer booking at this moment will only be able to book this service 24 hours from this moment, and all the time slots before that will be invisible or unavailable. In Trafft, you can set a time before or after the appointment that employees need to prepare for the next appointment, rest from the previous one, and similar. So if you set the buffer time before the appointment to 1 hour, customers won't be able to book an appointment 1 hour before the appointment that is already booked. The longer the buffer time, the more time slots will be unavailable for booking. Also, bear in mind that the maximum duration of the service in Trafft is 23 hours and 30 minutes. Let's say your working hours are 9 to 5, but they're divided into 2 working periods with a break between. In this case, the duration of your service has to be less than the duration of the working periods you've set. Otherwise, the service will be unavailable for booking.